Welcome back to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap, chassis swap. In the last video, we got this thing to a point where it was mounted-ish on the body, but we ran out of time and we were not able to weld both of them together. So on this episode, we're gonna be welding the Urus body to the Tahoe chassis. And we're also gonna be attempting to go for a drive because we kind of want to see how this drives with the Lambo body on. With that said, let us get started. Oh my gosh.
Let's get serious again.
Yeah. You're gonna be welding this body to the chassis, or how is it? Because I know the body is aluminum. So how is that gonna work combining both?
I mean, the Lamborghini body is a pretty complex engineering structure. It's a combination of steel and aluminum. So all the body panels are all aluminum, but all the main structure of this Urus body is like high strength steel as well as some normal mild steel. And how they've done it from the factory, they've used like rivets and panel bonding compounds and things of that nature to combine both of those together. So we're fortunate enough in the pinch weld area of the Lamborghini Urus body, it fits perfectly over top of this area right here of the Tahoe chassis. And so we're just gonna weld that to that, and that will create that connection. We still have all the main structure from the underside of the floor pan of the Tahoe. So that's gonna make sure that that stays where it needs to stay. It doesn't end there. We have future plans that we're gonna do to tie it together even more. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned for that. It's gotta be done right. And we plan to jump this vehicle, so that's gonna be another video. This whole structural piece right here, this is all cast aluminum. Just things like that right there, what made it difficult for us even to do the cage work in the back that we already done.
Yeah, that's why
we had to bolt it in. We couldn't even weld it because it's mostly aluminum in a lot of those areas.
Yeah.
Kinda gotta spot this in.
Is that candy wax?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's what's catching on fire.
It's freaking sizzling.
It's pretty intense. So I got three stitch welds on this side. I feel like that's gonna be enough for right now.
Woo! Oh my god.
One last.
Dude.
There we go. It's officially a truck.
Wow.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I mean, have you ever seen a Lamborghini Urus with twin turbos and 40-inch tall digger tires yet? I don't know, because I haven't, but here we go. It exists.
Pretty sick.
They all have twin turbos.
Who all has twin turbos?
All Uruses.
I said all that.
Oh, I guess so. Yeah, I forgot about that.
You gotta watch the internet,
Who's this
man.
guy?
They're
I don't
out
care.
here to get you.
Wow. It's one piece-ish.
One piece of shit. Looks good though.
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna take it for a little rip. Okay, let's tighten up these wheels because the last time we were doing Bernie's, we almost lost one. tidying up some wires. Got some danglers here. You know, they might catch a lug and get ripped off. So I figured I'd just take care of them right now before we go ripping.
Yeah.
So yeah, look at all this stuff. Unbelievable, huh? So much stuff. We're not using any of it.
It is hot as balls.
It is hot.
But we're doing it for you guys.
That's pretty good, man.
What's left to do? These nuts.
Oh my god. Wow, you thought about that for a while.
It seemed obvious while I was shaking them in my hand. And the fact that there's two of them.
I know, it's like perfect.
It made it that much funnier.
Like you could probably seam seal that and then
That's
just
what we're gonna do.
we'll do the wrapper on it.
Yeah, we're gonna do a back panel, then we'll trim off the excess. That looks sick.
Do the cage black. Ooh, that'd be sick. All lime green. We'll do the wrapper on the roof and everything.
Do it off-road.
We need doors next, seats and doors.
Yeah.
Today, this thing is just all sweat equity, man.
Yeah, literally sweat.
Like actual literal sweat equity. But the good news is we scrapped all the parts, and then I had to pay to throw out all the plastic. After we've done the plus minus, we're ahead of the game, $5.
Yo, okay, that's
Bad.
not bad.
See, it's basically an investment.
I know.
Work smart, not hard moment.
Exactly. Pretty amazing.
The wheel lift.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. I want to drive it out.
Well, send it. You're scared?
Yeah, I am scared.
I am honestly kind of scared to
Actually, a
drive
little
this
bit.
thing.
I am a little bit.
We attempted to drive the Urus out of the shop, but as you can see, we ran into a big problem, which was a huge lack of turning radius. We had enough turning radius when the Tahoe chassis was not attached to the Urus body, but with the Urus body now welded to the Tahoe chassis, we lost a lot of that turning radius. And so it took us almost 10 minutes just to squeeze this thing out of the shop, which is not ideal. And so we had to fix that. You still have more trimming to do? Ooh, oh!
Couple of them, yeah. That's right here is where it's sitting there. That's okay, that's smart.
That sucks. This is gonna super suck. It looks super cool, but we can't drive it nowhere.
The grinder tried to take me out.
Your grinder trigger was on and it stood over here almost to the rub.
There's an amateur mistake right there.
Because it blew the breaker and then you went to change it up so it snagged over here and caught over here and made it up over here. So here it is.
Just went on adventure?
Yeah, it just
it's just
went to the rub.
It's amazing.
Amazing.
I'm sure that's what
Rob's
Rob's
sign up on
That was pretty amazing.
After all the cutting, the guys were able to make enough clearance to make the wheels turn enough to go for a drive, but unfortunately we were out of time for the day. So we're gonna save that for the next episode, so stay tuned. Rob, you've been speechless for like 5 minutes. What's happening?
It just kind of blows me away, you know, some of the silly things that we do around here. This is just, I don't know, man. When I just look at this thing, I can't help but smile. It makes me so happy inside.
It's glorious.
Yeah. Can't wait to I just want to keep digging into it. I wish this was our actual job and like this is what we could do. Because right now, like just trying to find the time to do it whenever we can, it's few and far between. And it's just so fun. It's just kind of...
So,
But
if you want to make this our actual job, you can like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends.
This isn't our only dumb idea.
Yeah. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We have a lot left to do. Again, this is just step one of getting two of them together. We still have to create filler panels and blend the transition between the two bodies and make it look seamless and amazing. And so you want to stay tuned for the next episode because we're going to be doing just that. With that said, we will see you guys next week. Bye.